YozBunbun is here. So what is happening now? Okay, I have gone missing for a while, right? Because recently very busy, and also a lot of places cannot go, right? So that's why I didn't go to shoot a lot of places for you to see. But don't worry, upcoming there will be some interesting lineup for you, and of course I will share with you when it comes. Okay, I will have a new friend coming in to talk with all of you about a lot of interesting things. Sometimes a bit 废话. Okay, so what is coming up? Dun, 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 dun. I got a new. I received this recently. See, very cool, right? Wow, very pretty, right? Da, 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 da. Okay, so what is this? This one is actually like refill. You can refill your hand sanitizer. You can refill any oils and stuff like that you want to use. And wow, cool, right? I'm so excited. I only got it like recently, like 1 2 days ago. Cool. Okay, so this one is made of glass, but it's because it's like very small, so it's also made of hard glass, so it's very safe. And of course, we are going to sell this. How much is it going to be? Let me think. They are not expensive lah, so I will share with you. If you're interested, just need to PM us, okay? Just need to PM us, and then I will share with you how much it costs. Wow, cool, right? This one is spray. You can actually spray. So I'll show you. So exciting. Okay, so and tomorrow, if nothing goes wrong, tomorrow I'll do some unboxing. I have a lot of interesting things I'm going to unbox with my friend, because my friend is coming from Canada. Whoa, I got her to get a lot of interesting things from me. So when she shared with me just now, I'm like, oh my goodness, it's so fun. I'll have things like okay, don't share with you now. When you see it, you will know it. Whoa, okay, wow. Okay, it's actually gradient tones, you see? And I will have other similar bottles coming up also. So bottles like this one, right, it will have like black color for this one. And also I have those roll-on one. So if you like roll-on one, right, yeah, okay, you can let me know, okay? So before I say bye-bye, remember to subscribe to YozBunbun, YozBunbun. Okay, cool. See ya. Bye.